Today we are going to talk about Global Action Manager. Global Action enables you to manage Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Viber, VK at the same time. You can build a combined bot that combines these platforms together. Global Action enables me, you, and any member of amcsocial.com to respond to specific messages according to specific keywords and create quick reply and must answer messages. Create events to collect the customers that have the same behavior at the same place to send them messages later according to their behavior. Also, we have the global post that helps you publish or schedule posts on all platforms at the same time.
The first service in Global Action is Make Post. It allows you to publish on all platforms at the same time. Choose your page or account. For example, on Facebook, I choose Shop Online. On Twitter, I choose Fox Tech, and so on other platforms. And if you don't want to upload a video, exclude YouTube. The title is Global Post, and from message, write the content of the post. Let it be test post from AMC. Add a link or an image if you want. You can upload a video with a title and a description. After that, call to action. But CTA will be only published on Facebook because it's the only platform that allows creating CTA posts. Choose from CTAs, for example, book travel, call now, download, open link. I choose open link and add Google link. Schedule post and date. If you want to schedule the post on all platforms, click on it. But if you want to publish the post immediately, leave it blank. Post. I find that the action was added with the post that I wrote and the link that I added. Next to it, I find the status button and delete button. From status button, you will find all actions on all platforms became successful. The post was published with the content and title. And on Facebook, we will find CTA added to them. And from WordPress, choose Global Post to preview the post. The second service in Global Post is My Posts. With it, you will find all your posts, whether you publish them or schedule them, and whether you did it from Global Action or any platform. After that, Feed Reader and Feed Mirror. Its rule is automatically publish any post on your page if it was published on any platform. We can create a feed mirror before we optimize the feed reader. So we will now start making the feed reader. After clicking on feed reader, choose the pages or accounts on the platform. So it determines the source to which it will refer and republish what has uploaded to the platforms you will choose automatically. In feed reader, specify Facebook and Twitter. After selecting the platforms you want as a source, click on Create Feed Reader. In the next step, go to Feed Mirror and choose VK as a source. Action type. Do you just want to make a copy from the main post or share it? Create Feed Mirror. From Make Post, choose Facebook, write the message, test feed, and the title, Post. Click on Status. We will find that the post was published on Facebook. And if we go to Feed Reader, we will find it on VK, which we have activated in Feed Mirror. All actions. From its name, you will find all the actions you have created either from Global Action or from any platform. We find a status button for every action and a delete button next to it. The second part of this video is about the bot. With the bot, we can create a combined bot on platforms, control all responses, create a quick reply message, must answer message, URL message, and shop message. Open auto response. You will find Manage Message, Manage Keyword, Manage Answer Response, Manage Rules, and Manage Event. To work probably, we will begin by explaining the scenarios that we will work with. The first scenario, if you are a merchant and have a product you want to sell, for example, AM shoes. To complete the sale, some info must be collected from the customer, such as name, phone number, size, and color. Another scenario, if I'm a travel company, launching trips to Sharm el-Sheikh and Hurghada. The customer will receive a welcome message with two buttons, one for Sharm el-Sheikh and one for Hurghada, so that if he chooses Sharm el-Sheikh, all the details related to Sharm el-Sheikh trips will appear. If he chooses Hurghada, all the details of Hurghada will appear to him. And the third scenario for a real estate company. I work in two places, Settlement and October. When the customer contacts me and sends a message with hi or hello, he will be answered with a welcome message with two buttons, one for October properties and one for Settlement. And when he clicks on either of them, this will automatically be saved on the platform. Thus the work becomes clear about the behavior of each client. And must answer message will enable me to know the floor space, number of rooms, his name, and number. So the first step is to create a table in which I collect the info of the customers who contact me to complete the order. Click on Manage Answer Response, Create. Table name is Sharm el-Sheikh and Hurghada trips. Create. After creating the table, you will find in it sender ID, name, mobile, mail, and action. Back to auto response. Click on manage message. The first type of messages is a quick reply. Name is hello. Safe user answer. Choose this table. Answer key column is trips, and this feature enables me to know which client chose Sharm el-Sheikh and which client chose Hurghada. Message is hello, name, can I help you? You can add an image from here, and if you want to add a new image, you can upload it through the upload center. Add a quick reply. The first is for Sharm el-Sheikh and the second is for Hurghada. Create. Now I have to set a keyword for this message. Create keyword. The keyword is hello and hi. Then choose a message and press create. Thus the first message was linked to its keyword. After creating the first quick reply that contains a welcome message with two buttons, when the customer chats to the bot and press on one of them, the details will appear, but we must first add these details. By quick reply for Sharm el-Sheikh button and another for Hurghada. Start with a quick reply for Sharm el-Sheikh, write the content for the message and click create. Also for Hurghada, write the content and press create. I prepared the message with the content of each button. Now each message must be linked to its button. Open this message and link Sharm to Sharm el-Sheikh message and link Hurghada to Hurghada message. I have set up the first type of messages, quick reply message, but there is an important option, which is event, to keep each audience with a specific interest in its event and send offers to each group separately. Choose manage event, then create. Write the name and description and press create. Repeat the process for Hurghada. Here you find linked message through which you can link each event to its message. Open Sharm el-Sheikh message and link it to its event and also Hurghada, so that if a customer chooses which of these two options is kept in his place. Now everything is ready to try. Open Facebook, send hi, the message appears. Click on Sharm el-Sheikh. Sharm el-Sheikh trips details is sent. Open auto response, then answer table. Select data. The first account was registered with all the data such as name and number, and we will also learn how to get customer data. Also, this client has been saved to its event, so if I create any campaign, I can choose that event and send it to that client to achieve high conversion rate. This was all about quick reply. The second message is URL message, and this message is a button with a link. Click on URL message. Message name is my URL. For example, if I'm a travel company, I can add the link of my website or my landing page for booking trips using a message with a button named Book Now, and when the customer clicks on this button, he will be redirected to my website. The message content is Book Now from this button. The link is Google link and the title is Book Now. Choose the image if you want, then create. We must set a keyword for this message. Click create keyword. Keywords are book and need book. Choose URL message, then create. Thus the message was created and linked to a keyword. Open VK, write book. The message is sent. It contains an image, the content of the message, and the button. When I click on it, I will be redirected to the site. Must answer message. We first look at the scenario on which we will work. Product scenario for AM shoes. In this scenario, I'll collect customer data such as name, phone number, size, and color. To begin with, we will create a table to collect customer data. Auto response, choose manage answer response, then create answer table. Give it a name, create. Go back to auto response, manage message, then click on must answer message. First one is for the name. Message is what's your name? If the customer sends wrong message such as sending the phone number in place of the name, he will be answered with answer is wrong, and then tries of wrong answer is 10. Save the client's answer in this table. Type is name. Create. New must answer message for the phone number. Name is phone. Message is please give me your phone number. The wrong message. Phone is wrong. Type is phone. Create. To create rules for size and color, go to auto response, manage rules, create rules. Name is size. Type. There are several options in this section. First option is equal from file. With this option, you can upload a file that contains keywords. Second option is equal keyword. It enables you to type some of the expected keywords. And if your customer chats to the bot without these keywords, the wrong answer message will send to him. For example, if you are selling shoes the sizes between 40 to 45, when the customer writes 46, he will be answered with this size is unavailable. The third option is contain keyword. Here the client can write any response, and this response will be accepted as long as it contains a keyword. The fourth option is between two numbers. Let it be from 40 to 45. Create another rule for color. Type is equal keyword and colors are red, black and green. Create. Back to manage message. Must answer for size. What's your size? If he sends an incorrect answer, he will be answered with this size is unavailable. Type is size. Create. The last must answer for color. What's your color? If the answer is wrong, he will be answered with this color is unavailable. Choose this table. Type is color. Create. I have prepared all of the must answer messages, but there are a few simple steps to be ready to try. The first must answer message must be linked with a keyword. Create keyword. Keywords are buy AM shoes, and buy. Select this message. Create. Now I link each must answer message with the one that follows, so that after the customer writes the keyword, a message appears asking him for the name, and after answering it, a message for the phone number appears. After that, the size message, and finally the color message. Of course, all of this will be saved in a table. Go to name and select next question, phone message. Go to the phone message and select next question, size message. Go to the size message and select next question, color message. There is another feature that enables me to link these messages with event by linking color message to an event. So any customer who reaches this message, all his data will be saved in an event, so that if I have new offers that suit him, I'll send him a campaign with these offers. Click on Manage Event, create event with this name, Clients by AM Shoes. Submit. Go to color message and link it to the event. I can also set alert message. I can set a modifier, and when the order is completed, a message sends to him that there is a customer who completed his data to continue the process with him. This feature saves all the effort expended in customer service so that the bot collects all the important data and plays the most difficult role. Then the modifier rule comes after collecting all clients' info. Click alert message. You find all modifiers, but we are going to delete this modifier and learn how to add a new one. Click here. Choose service, which is where this modifier is. For example, from Facebook, but this modifier must have sent me a message to become one of my bot subscribers. Click search, select this account as a modifier and click add to list. Select it. If you have more than one modifier and want to add them all, press Ctrl and select them all, so that the tasks are distributed to them. For example, if you have 3 modifiers and 3 clients, you will send an alert message to each modifier with a different client. Message is new client. Press submit. The modifier will receive a message that contains you are modifier now. Thus we have prepared everything to try together. Open Twitter, write the keyword, name message appears. Write the name, it replies with phone message. Try any wrong number, wrong message. Write a phone number, it replies with size message. Write anything, it's wrong. So write a correct answer. It replies with color message. The keywords were red, black and green of the equal keyword. The response must be with the keyword only, without any words. I need red, wrong. I write red, true. Back to the platform, open auto response, manage answer table, data. The order has been saved with all data such as name, phone number, email, size, color. Thus we have completed the purchase process, so a message will be sent to the modifier informing him that there is a new client with all his data, such as name, phone number, modifier name, and his phone number, the source that represents the platform where the order was done, and last message the client reached, which is what's your color. Combined message, it means setting a specific keyword. If the client sends it, he will be answered with a group of messages. Then choose the group of messages you want to send. For example, select these messages. Set a keyword, but I set star, which means that if the customer sends an unclear keyword or a keyword that I do not set a message to it in the bot, he will be answered with a group of combined messages. Choose combined message, then create. Open Twitter, send any message. You will be answered with a group of messages that we have set. Shop message. Shop message is a message for a product in your store. With this message, the customer can go to the store to complete his order without any effort from you. First, the name of the message is My Shop Message 1 and choose this product. It's also possible to select specific category or all products. Create. Now, this message must be linked to a keyword to appear to the person trying to buy the product. Create keyword. Keyword is Q13. Select the product, then create. Open Viber, write Q13, This is the message of the product with the price and the link. If the customer clicks on order, he will go to the platform of My Shop. Through My Shop, he can order the product. Add to cart. Order now. He has to complete his data such as name, number, address, and country. Order. As the owner of the platform, has this order been saved in My Orders as well as in Affiliate System or not? Go to Affiliate Manager, My Orders. The order has been saved with all clients' data and you can add a comment about this order. You can also go to the Affiliate System and click on My Orders. The product has been registered to the order list. The customer can cancel the order. Go back to the platform. The order was cancelled, as well as in the Affiliate System. There are other options in Shop Message. Firstly, there are 4 scenarios of the customer behavior if he enters my store and doesn't take any action. The second one is make an order. The third is add a product to the cart. The last is cancel the order. The feature in Shop Message enables you to create a message for each customer according to his behavior inside your store and send him a message suited for his behavior. Maybe you asked, is a benefit limited to just sending a message based on the customer's behavior inside the store? Of course not. More important than the message is to divide the audience according to behavior in different events, thus making it easier for you to target them later. For example, the customer who cancels the order may have cancelled the order due to the price, so you can send a message in the future with new and less expensive products. And the customer who completed the purchase process can send him a new campaign with a new product. Let's try these options. Choose this product, create keyword, select this message. Keyword is AM shoes. Create. From Global Action, choose Auto Response, then Manage Message. Go to Manage Shop Messages. You are going to find several options. Forget to order. It's for a client who entered my shop and doesn't take any action. Thank you for your order. It's for a client who made an order. You added product to cart but forget to order. It's for a client who added the product to the cart and didn't complete the purchase. You have cancelled your order. It's for a client who cancelled the order. First, create a quick replay for each message. The first message is forget to order, and the content is you forget to order. Second message, thank you for your order. Third message, you added product to cart but forget to order. The last message, you have cancelled your order. Go back to Manage Shop Messages to link each message to its quick replay message. Go to Manage Event to create an event for each shop message. Create an event for people who complete the purchase, clients make order. New event for the audience that cancels the order, clients cancel order. Link each message with its event. Open Telegram, write the keyword, this is the product, open products page, close the page. 5 minutes later, you forget to order message received. The question here is, why 5 minutes? Because it's enough time for the customer to write his data, and it also gives the customer the opportunity to search for other products inside the store to order them once. Try add the product to the cart. 5 minutes later, a new message received. You added product to cart but forget to order. When open products page and complete the purchase, another message will send. Let's try. Go to the product page, then add to cart, order, and complete the name, number, address, and all data. Order. 5 minutes later, a new message received. Thank you for your order. Go to the order page and click cancel. This message was received. You have cancelled your order. The last service is bot campaigns. Campaign name is campaign 2. Source. This will be bot subscribers or select this event. The next option is messaging type. There are 2 types, non-promotional and 24 hours promotional. The first option is non-promotional, which means sending the campaign message to all customers in the bot. The second option is 24 hours promotional. It means sending a message to customers who contacted the bot in the last 24 hours. Choose non-promotional. Tags. You can click here and know the meaning of each tag because it's related to Facebook. After that, continuous campaign. You can leave it active or inactive. If it's active, the campaign will still work on all subscribers, even new ones. Means that if a new subscriber joins the bot, the message will be sent to him without the need to recreate a new campaign. If it's inactive, this means that the campaign message will not be sent to new subscribers of the bot. Range time is from 10 AM to 10 PM. So that the campaign message is only sent at this time. After that, there are 2 types of messages, custom message or saved message. Custom message enables you to send new messages and the people receiving the message don't become subscribers to new events. Unlike saved message, through which you can choose from the saved messages in the bot and convert the people receiving this message to a new event. I choose saved message, then post. The campaign was created and is currently running. Here you find campaign ID, title, message, and image. Here is an action we're set to inactive so that this campaign message is not sent to new subscribers in the bot. And from delete, you can delete the campaign. And from status, you can see the subscribers, whether old or new subscribers. The campaign has turned finished and means that the campaign message reaches all subscribers. One last thing remaining is earn program. This option helps us profit from our accounts without marketing any product. The first option is to earn from accounts. We can add our accounts to earn points through them. I'm going to add my accounts. Click on set up another account. The service is VK. Choose VK account. Then we see what actions other people are allowed to use in my account. There is a post, comment, follow, and like. From here, I can add actions to my account. Click on Join System. So I just enter the account into the system and allowed anyone to use it through the actions that I specify. And when people use my account, I'll earn points. I'll find those points here. When I earn points, I can create a campaign with accounts of the people I have added. Create a campaign. The service is VK. Then select the actions you want, like, subscription, post, and comment. For example, choose like and add post ID. If we choose subscription, we will need to add user ID. If we choose comment, we will need to add the post ID and the comment. If we select post, we will have to add the post text. Here we will try like. Add post ID. Target is the number of likes you want. For example, if you want 100 likes, their cost will be 400 points. Select the number you want and its cost will be shown to you. When finished, click Start Campaign. By clicking on it, we find the campaign has been added here with all details. In this video, we have learned how to earn money from our accounts without marketing any product, how to create combined bot on all platforms, how to create responses and create quick reply message, URL message, must answer message, combined message, and shop message, how to save answers and create events, how to create bulk message campaigns for all clients in all bots at the same time, how to publish a post on all platforms at the same time, how the feed reader and feed mirror work, so that if a page publishes a post on a platform, it will automatically publish on other pages of platforms.